Hey, hi, welcome back to a new week of at home learning. Last week we have completed multiplication word problems, and now we are going to move on to division. Okay, so we are going to do few division word problems. So let's get started. Since we know that we are going to solve word problems, there is something we need to remember, which is the rucksack method. Yeah, R stands for read, U stands for understand, C stands for choose the operation. Okay, it could be plus, minus, multiplication, division. S is solve the sum, A is answer, and C is check. So whenever you find any division word problems, the words which will be used in the problems will be share equally or divide, could be divide equally or distribute. Okay, so these are few words which you might come across when you are solving a division word problem. So here is our first problem. Let's read it together. Okay, share the cookies equally between the children. How many cookies do Bobby and Serena get each? So here is Bobby and here is Serena. There are few cookies over here and they have to be shared equally. The word share tells me that they have to share it, okay? And it has to be equally shared. So let's get started. And let's start counting the number of cookies. So you can see the cursor which is moving. So that is supposed to be my finger. Okay, so just think that this is my finger. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are total 8 number of cookies. And how many people? 2, Bobby and Serena. Do you know the answers? If you know the answers, pause the video, calculate your answer quickly, and then wait. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start sharing them equally. 1, 2, the third one to Bobby, the fourth one to Serena, and the last. So what has happened is there are 4 cookies over here, right? There are 4 cookies over here. And there are 4 cookies over here. So that means they have got it equally, correct? So let's count. Have they really got it equally? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bobby got 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, Serena also got 4 cookies. That means they have been shared equally. Okay, now let's go to the next sum. Share the slices of pizza equally between the plates. How many slices of pizza per plate? Now, if you see, there are 2 plates over here and there are few slices of pizza. What are we going to do is, you're going to count the number of slices over here and then tell me how many will go in each plate. Now, pay attention, it is written share equally. That means both the plates should have equal number of slices. Okay, so let's start them sharing. So as you can see, there are 3 slices of pizza on this plate and 3 slices of pizza on this plate. They are shared equally. So there were 6 in total and then they were shared between 2 plates. So when 6 is divided between 2 plates, each gets 3. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Now what is happening over here? There are how many tanks? 1, 2, 3. Let's read what is written over here. Share the fish equally between the tanks. How many fish per tank? So there are 3 tanks, yeah, and there are few fishes. You can pause the video and you can count how many fishes are there and then tell me the answer, okay? And then put the video on and then check for yourself. Okay, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 fishes altogether and there are 3 tanks. What do you think? How many each tank will have? That means how many fishes will go in each tank. Okay, so let's divide them. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one is going there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the 12th one in the last. So each tank should have equal. Let's see if it is equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the first fish tank has 4 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the second also have 4 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it has. That means all tanks have 4 fishes divided. That means there were 12 fishes altogether and they are divided. They are shared equally in 3 tanks. So each tank has 4 fishes. Okay,